It's October 11th, 12th, don't know, Sunday, and come up from Boynton Inlet and heading up to Palm Beach, just right up there where those buildings are. And it's a little rough on the way up, but that's all right. It's beautiful out. You can see there's storm clouds around, so I've been kind of dodging them. And I rode the tail end of one. The storm is moving at about the same speed as I was, so that's kind of cool. I almost hit one turtle, but I saw like 4 turtles. And yeah, I'm gonna go into Palm Beach Inlet, have a little sandwich, and most likely I'll head back down the Intercoastal. Have a good one.